Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog.
Good morning, it is the 10th of May. Welcome to episode 332 of season 2. Keep getting those numbers wrong. I think yesterday I said 231, so get it right today, I'll be happy. Right, first job today, drink my cup of coffee, and then I'm being a plumber. I've got to get that drain fixed behind me so I can get this kitchen tidied up properly because it's still a bit of a mess and I can't use the sink. So I think I'm going to bring the air compressor in this morning, put a bung in the end of that pipe and try and blast some pressure down and blow out the blockage. That's my plan. We'll see how much mess I make doing that. Hopefully it works. But for now, a cup of coffee and then we'll try that. Right, let's get this plumbing fixed so I can finish this kitchen off, get it cleaned up. I need 2 hands to bring the air compressor over. See if we can make a mess. Another windy day. Right, I'm going to use this to blast some air down the line. Hold that for me, Finn. Let's go to the house. Would have been quicker to carry it to wheel it. Open the door, Finn. Too much air's getting out. Right, last thing to try. See if I can get one of these to go up from the bottom. Oh sweet, it's clear then. I'll fill the sink up and give it a good flush. This is what I need. Make it a bit easier. Right, let's get it started. Good. Heaps of sludge come out with it?
Yeah, there was like brown water.
Brown water, yeah, it was clogged up with something, I don't know what. But it's working. Sweet. Fixed. For now. Well, it's definitely cleared out. Right, put everything back together and clean up. Right, where am I at? Get the last of these dishes in here now. Yeah, mate. Not yet. Any dishes out there?
Yes.
Bring them here then. There you go. Put the rice cooker lid in, mate, behind you. What? Put the rice cooker lid in off the oven behind you. Holy moly, what is all over that? Don't know how long that's had stuff splashed on it for, but it might have been a while, sorry. That looks a bit better. Good to have my sink back. It's actually draining the fastest it's drained for a long time. Awesome. Alright, coffee's ready.
I just want to see if the width is going to go across. Not easy. Oh, not easy.
Yeah, it's going to go though.
Yeah, but it'll be no pockets in it, no gathering.
That's alright. It's going to be better than no curtain.
I've got 32. It'll take a couple off. See? Did we measure it right? Look at that. Perfect.
So, it'll block a bit of coldness.
You can't go right. You can only go to the frame though.
Yeah, that's going to work though.
I'll just do a bit of plating on this. Let's see.
60. 26 altogether.
Oh, less.
Oh, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34.
It's just long enough, maybe.
We didn't check the length, did
No. Yeah, we won't be able to put it on the end.
Right, curtains up, battery went flat on this camera of course. I need to go and get some Velcro out of the truck to hold the corners back. I've got to get onto this truck. Desperately. Velcro. Velcro. Found heaps.
Oh, look at that. So they did stick.
Yep.
Is that mine?
If you want it,
Yes.
see if it fits.
I'll put it on now and leave
Right,
it
see
on.
if it fits. Just a Bruno's Adventures jacket.
Yes. Yeah, see, that will keep it there.
It'll work.
Yep. And then you just, that's sticking to the other one as well.
Sweet. Make it a bit warmer in here.
No, I can't do this up.
Sort of productive day. Got the sink fixed, which is awesome. Got the curtains up. The day's disappeared. I'm going to start cooking dinner now. Forgot to get something out for dinner, so we're just going to do deviled sausages tonight. Rice is cooking. Sausages. Actually turn that off. Let the sausages cook for a minute. We'll heat up and then I'm going to combine everything in a pan. in a pot actually. Right, sausages are warm.
I'm not in it as the best job.
So you don't get all that stuff on your hands.
Yeah, they're all that yucky sauce stuff. They're all clean, so you don't get what
Do you want this?
No, you got the cupboard.
Isn't this for that pot?
It is, but just some of this down.
Oh, guys.
Dinner won't be far away, guys. Don't be too long.
Alright, just call us back in.
I know the head with no sauce.
Just right.
Shut the dishwasher. Right, let that simmer down and dinner will be ready. Under control. And we've got the fire going tonight. Fiddling at the fire. Here's what?
Extra rice, carve a tiny bit of rice.
I've already dished the rice up so you're having what I give you.
Is that more on there?
Yep. Don't push them all around, can't be farmed.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, no, that's the second one.
Cast it on couch.
Don't make a mess. Take on this yours.
Which
one?
Yes,
Good enough? Good enough?
It's better than good enough.
Better than good enough, that's what I like to hear. Look at this, Colton and Harley did the dishes. Happy days. All I have left to do now is last little clean up, school lunches, and that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching, guys. Good to get the plumbing sorted, get the curtains up, made such a difference in here. Oh, I'm going to take the air compressor back, but that can wait till tomorrow now, I forgot about that. But, oh, Finn, you got some more dishes in the dishwasher, mate. So thanks for watching, guys. Much appreciated. We'll see you tomorrow. No idea what I'm doing tomorrow. We'll make it up as we go along. We'll be alright. That's it, Finn, in the dishwasher. Cheers, guys. We'll see you then.